We had an earthquake earlier this evening, folks, in the greater Seattle, Washington area. 4.5 on the Richter scale. We haven't had an earthquake in 22 years. I was watching the Cowboys football game, and then all of a sudden, the house kind of shakes. I hear a big thump. I didn't know what was going on. My father walks with a cane. I thought my father fell down upstairs. So I yell upstairs, and they're okay. And my mother felt it. And my father, he didn't really feel it. I'm telling you, this thing freaked me out. I do not like earthquakes. Okay. Hurricanes, at least you know when they're coming. And you can prepare. These earthquakes, because we've lived out here since 1992, 31 years. And they've been talking about how Seattle is going to have the big one, the big one, the big one. And let me tell you something. I already suffer from high anxiety. And as soon as that happened, man, my heart started to race. It was nuts. Like I couldn't calm down. I could not calm down. You know? These earthquakes suck, man. You know? There's no, you don't have any time. It just hits you. Bam! Like if you're walking down the street and someone, you get a boom, someone comes up from behind you. Boom. You're dead. Boom. There's no warning. Tornadoes, you have a little bit of a warning. Hurricanes, earthquakes, there's zero warning. Zero warning, man. This was very... it shook me up, man. Okay? Shook a lot of people up. You know? I don't dig earthquakes. Give me a hurricane any day of the week over an earthquake. Because I used to live in South Carolina and Florida, and I've been through a couple hurricanes. Okay. Earthquakes, no way.